Hey guys, welcome to the TU Dublin Open Day for Architectural Technology. My name is Harry Bancroft. I'm one of the fourth year students on the Architectural Technology program. I was just asked today just to give a little bit of insight and my own experience into what the course holds. So I'll just tell you a bit about myself. So I done my Leaving Cert in 2017, which I did apply for architecture. I didn't get architecture, but I did have technology down. So after doing architecture technology, I would never even consider doing architecture. You can do as much or even more than architecture, or even architects. You learn more about how the building goes together, and you're just more involved in the whole construction side of it from the very start all the way to the very end of a project. So I'm just going to give a bit of insight into the years that follow you. So I'll just start off now. So this is first year. So in first year, you do some sketching, getting to know line weights, getting to know the special pencils that we use. You do some 3D axonometric drawings. 3D model making. You do sketching, technical drawings. You also learn Revit, which is our main software. So we don't use CAD. We solely use BIM, which is Building Information Modeling, which is getting more advanced in the construction industry. So just looking at what projects we've done. So in first year, we've done a 2-story domestic house, which is just standard cavity construction. You'd all know it from secondary school construction. So you're just learning the basics in first year. And if you can learn the basics, you will fly in this course, because that's all you need to get through. Like, it does get more advanced, but once you know the main principles, you'll fly through. So just in second year is a good year. You go on a educational trip. So we went to Germany to a BAU, which is an architectural exhibition. We also did go skiing, which was a great experience, and I'd love to go back. So what did we do that year? So we done some 3D model making. We've done some Revit renders, all esquisse work, which is through sketching. So you sketch out your details first on butter paper, and then you go to Revit. So the few projects we've done in that year were a concrete building, a steel frame building, and a passive standard timber frame house. So you're very busy in second year, bringing your skills through. So third year, I'd say third year was one of my favorite years. So in first semester, you're in college. So again, you just do some 3D model making. You do more esquisse work. So this esquisse was on a urban school in inner city Dublin. You have to look at like connections, structure, materials, what materials are going into it, and then all that leads then to your technical drawing, which, as you can see, is getting more advanced as the years go on. And also in the second semester of third year, you do professional work placement, which you're out there for about 3 to 4 months of your second semester. It is paid work, and it's a great experience. I really enjoyed it. And unfortunately, due to COVID, I was cut short of my placement. But I'm hoping to get back now at the end of this year, please God. So just look at fourth year. So I'm into my final year now. So what fourth year holds is you do your standard projects. You have your esquisse work again. Everything continues forward. You're looking at connections again, timber. This project here was a shed that we had to do, which the architect decided to tilt 30 degrees, so it makes it a bit trickier, and it had to be to a NZ requirement, which is nearly zero energy building, so it's really low U value. Again, we're just looking this project now. We're still trying to complete. So this is actually Lennon Hall, where you will hopefully be studying. This is a collaboration project with each member of your class, and you are also working with the geographical students across in Bolton Street. So they map out all their cloud maps and all these technical information that you will come across eventually. Also, a big part of the final year, fourth year, is your thesis. So that takes up the second semester of fourth year. So that's just, you make your research question. You have to be really into what you're doing because it's a full year of hard research. So hopefully now I'm not finished it, but it will be a fun year. And at the end of the day, you'll get your degree. So I just want to thank you for listening, and just a little bit of advice. If anyone's thinking of doing the course, I would definitely recommend doing it. You can do a lot more with architecture technology. You learn how the whole building goes together, not just how it looks. I just think there's a lot more opportunities in the course, and the lectures and the way it's run is fantastic. All the lectures are there when you need them. It's all hands-on. Not as much now due to COVID, but they're doing a great job with COVID. So if I was you, I'd definitely put down this course at TU831. So thanks for listening, guys, and hopefully see you soon.